It's literally on fire. Oh my God.
People still going too.
Oh my God. Where's the ambulance? I want to go next to that. Where is the fire department? Bro, let's go closer. Let's get a little bit closer.
No, you crazy.
I shut it down.
They still driving too.
It was like boom. Who recognized
Dang.
it? Dang. What a predicament.
It's a lot of smoke.
Why don't nobody stop and call police? Dang. Fucking dumb. Yeah. The car had caught on fire.
Somebody in it?
Yeah.
Yo, you gotta be kidding me. They still going. Why are they still driving? What is wrong with them? Why are they still going?
They have dumb dumps. Oh shit.
They stupid. Nah, I'm getting back. That's a lot of smoke.
I was not so surprised when it exploded. Oh!
Dang.
It's spreading.
Why are they still driving?
I'm about to go.
Oh no, this is...
Holy crap! The fence. It's through the fence.
No, they still driving. They're still driving. Who drives in the middle of a fire? And there's a truck going by.
Why don't nobody stop and call police? I know. They already know. Oh my gosh! I've never seen like a real fire like that before.
Dang.
Like a big fire. Like that's like right literally just happened in front of us. In real life, I never saw it. Literally while we were going around with tag,
that thing was loud.
Straight in front of us. Right. I heard it and I did.
Smoke.
Why do we see it happen? That shit was so loud.
Dang. I'm recording it. I'm not gonna stop either.
Hey, you're right there.
Dang. It looked like it was a Jeep too. I can't tell though. The cat could be.
Everyone around here is coming.
Exactly. Look at all these people.
I don't know.
Dang.
I don't want to be in that car.
I hope they got out. Why are they still driving? Shouldn't they like stop or something?
I see them do the whole stick them. It's under. Look at it. It's like he gonna break trees through him.
He cussing and everything. He must be serious. A party truck.
Fireworks. A lot of them.
Smell like a lot of fireworks.
They about to spray it.
Oh, I want to see this.
Like they outside. I'm here
Oh, I want to get closer.
They let the hose out. Why are they so close?
I want to go see it though. I don't want to get so close.
Oh, there's a fire extinguisher. There's a fire extinguisher.
Oh, snap.
Oh, my mom over there. Jay, look how many. What in the world? Look how much smoke.
That's not
That's
smoke.
water. That's water. Yeah, I see the water going on. And then there's making smoke.
Who said woo? Somebody said woo. Who said it? Who said it? I heard that.
That's the first time I saw a real live fire.
I'm gonna get closer.
What in the world?
You don't watch the
Seen a
news?
fire before.
You never seen a chimney
I have a fire
in the
place.
winter? Have you ever watched